you another video. Haven't been on here for a minute, but I thought I should, see what's up. So I ordered something, and I've been waiting for forever to get this because every time I wanted to order it, it was out of stock. No matter what store. So guys, as you can see, it's from Shoe Shop, and they're Crocs. And I've been really wanting Crocs, so we're gonna get straight into the video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get this started. Yeah, my key. Yes, sir. There we go. Okay, y'all. This is the little thingy. Okay, I don't know what to use. So these ones right here was $7. And got the yellow ones. So guys, this is basically what I ordered. These yellow Crocs. I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna show you guys. So y'all, I tried them on. I think I should show you. So yeah. They're really comfortable. I like them. So it's kind of cold out here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. My review on the yellow Crocs, their unboxing and everything. And them giving some ideas and some more videos I should do. And that is it.